Hi, it's Jon. It's raining today here in England, and in meditation I felt the rain wash down my skin and through my body and cleanse my negativity, my fear, my pain, wash it away. And I felt much lighter, much clearer. And with every raindrop, it's a tear, we release our pain and our fear, and we rise into love. The more we release, the lighter we become. The more we forgive, the lighter and lighter we ascend into love. It's so beautiful. The rain is so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Sending my love from England. I love you.